Hey guys, Buddy Gross here, Bassmaster Elite Series Pro. I'm down here at Sonar Pros today picking up our new ride. He just got everything rigged up and ready to go. We're running a 921 Elite this year with a Mercury 250 Pro XS, you know, and the big thing Trent does for me is this dedicated power harness. But I'm going to talk about it a little bit, but I just want to go over the whole boat. It's kind of my walkthrough video for you. But got power poles this year. I'm running 10-foot power poles. We got the light on the top this year, so I don't have to stick the power pole in, the power light in all the time. Atlas jack plate. We got 2 transducers on the back because we're going to get up here in a minute. I've got a Lowrance and a Humminbird I'm running side imaging with. I'm still not the guy that's got the live out here on the back yet, but we are discussing it. But the big thing, I got Impulse lithium batteries this year. They're new with me this year. We got a very clean compartment with these dedicated power harnesses that Trent makes. It makes everything in these engine compartment really, really clean. Got plenty of room for a prop, plenty of room to work on anything. You don't see a lot of messy wires. Once you get to see this on this clip in a minute, you're going to really appreciate how clean this thing is. We have 2 power switches, one that's dedicated just for my electronics, one that's dedicated for the boat, and then we got a kill switch for the trolling motor, which is awesome. If you ever get in a need where you need to kill the power on anything, you can do it all right here in this compartment with just one turn, so it's pretty sweet. When we move up the boat, we go to the console area. This year, of course, tried something new with Phoenix. I got the heated seats, and it looks like the way this year is going to start out, I'm going to need those things, so I can't wait to try those out. Running Boat Logic's mounts, and if you can see the units, we're running Humminbird, Lowrance, and Garmin, all 3. And that's the good thing about Trent. He sells all 3. He can get you great deals on these pieces, and you don't have to have just one unit. This is something that I think it's kind of transitioning to where everybody's got something they're really great at and something that they're not really great at. So we get to use all these together and make a really fine product, and we get to get side imaging, live, great waypoint management with all these units. So it's really a neat product, and I'm really glad that I get to run all 3, and it's a big part of because Trent has it all available. We move up to the front this year. We're going to the Move trolling motor, which I'm so excited about. Super quiet, brushless trolling motor. We're running a 360, Humminbird 360, running a Garmin Live, and we got the Lowrance up here just in case we need it for anything else that falls in place. But we're running forward-facing sonar. We're running lives. I'm running the 360, and I went to some 16-inch screens where I can see this, but I'm really excited to get that 16-inch screen and see this 360 because I'm a big 360 guy. And so the Sonar Pro clean harness system, it gives us dedicated power to each individual unit. We get a ground and a hot to each unit. That also cleans our picture up. It gives us crisp, clear pictures, good separation when you're looking at this live or 360. It just cleans everything up so you can really see fish detail. And you know, here at Sonar Pros, they have everything you need to make your boat efficient, clean, presentable, and very fish catchable.